Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create engaging YouTube shorts using Heygen and CapCut. Before we begin, here's a quick look at the final video we'll be creating today.
Here are 3 awesome facts about dogs that'll blow your mind. Did you know a dog's sense of smell is up to 100,000 times stronger than a human? They can detect scents from miles away. That's why they're used in police work, rescue missions, and even medical detection. Each dog has a unique nose print. No two are the same. In fact, some countries even use nose prints for dog identification. Imagine scanning your dog's nose instead of a microchip. With the right training, dogs can learn up to 250 words and gestures. Some breeds are so intelligent they can solve puzzles and understand full sentences. That's about as smart as a 2-year-old child. Pretty cool, right? Dogs are more than just cute. They're amazing creatures. Drop a like if you learned something new, and follow for more animal facts.
Now that you've seen the final result, let me show you exactly how I made it, step by step. Step 1 is getting your script. You can use free AI tools like Grok or ChatGPT to write your script in seconds. I'll use Grok AI for this video. Just open Grok AI and click on the chat box. Now, type something like, write a 60-second fun script about 3 interesting dog facts for a YouTube short. The AI will quickly generate a short script for you. Once it's ready, copy the script and we'll use it in the next step. First, go to Heygen.com. On the homepage, click the Get Started for Free button usually found at the top right corner. This will take you to the sign up page. You can create your account using a Google, Apple, or email login. If you go with email, just enter your email address, choose a secure password, and follow the steps to verify your email. This only takes a minute or 2. Once your account is set up, you'll be redirected to your personal dashboard. From here, you can start exploring Heygen's features. The free plan gives you access to try out the basic tools like creating AI avatar videos and testing the interface. It's a great way to get a feel for the platform before committing to a paid plan. Take a quick tour around the dashboard to understand where everything is. You're now ready to start creating your first AI video. Click the Create Video button. You'll now see a box where you can paste your script. Paste the script you copied from Grok. On the right, you'll see different avatars. Scroll down, there are so many avatars. Choose the one you like and fit the video. You can add background colors, upload a custom background, and even add subtitles. I'm going with this friendly one for this video. Select from 300 plus public voices in various tones and accents. Adjust speed or pitch to match your vibe. Preview the voice with your script to ensure it sounds right. Click Preview to watch your avatar perform. Check the lip sync and overall feel, tweaking if needed. This step ensures your video looks polished before finalizing. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video. Heygen will now process your video. This can take a few minutes, depending on your script length. When it's done, you can preview the video and download it to your device. We have finished Step 1 and Step 2. Open CapCut and start a new project. First, import all the required files, your Heygen avatar video, and the footage or images you want to display above it. Begin by dragging your avatar video into the timeline. This video will be placed on the bottom half of the screen. In this tutorial, the avatar video was originally created in landscape format, but since we're making a vertical YouTube short, we'll adjust it in CapCut by switching the aspect ratio to 9:16. The avatar video I'm using includes all 3 dog facts in one continuous video, if you prefer. You can create separate videos for each fact in Heygen. But in this case, we'll use one single avatar clip and split it into 3 segments, one for each fact. After splitting, you'll add the related visual content for each fact on the top half of the screen. Drag in the relevant images or video clips above each split section in the timeline. Select each image or video on the top layer. Go to the basic video settings and open the mask tool. Choose the horizontal mask and apply it. Then adjust the mask to cleanly split the screen, showing the avatar on the bottom and your visual footage on the top. Repeat this process for each fact. At the end of the video, I added a short subscribe and like message using the avatar video. This avatar video is in landscape format. Then, I went to basic and scrolled down tokenverse and turned on the blur background. This helps because the avatar is in landscape and the blur fills the screen in 9:16 size, so it looks better. You can now add background music to enhance the mood and energy. Also, include smooth transitions between clips if necessary. For better clarity, add text overlays such as Fact 1, Fact 2, and Fact 3 as each new section begins. Feel free to make video adjustments, like brightness or contrast for a clearer and more polished look. After that, generate automatic captions using CapCut's built-in tool. Customize the captions by changing the font size, color, and adding bold or spacing adjustments to fit your style. Once everything looks right, review the full video and export it. Now video is ready to upload to YouTube Shorts. Now let's upload it to YouTube as a short video. Go to YouTube Studio and click Create, then Upload Video. Choose the video file, Create. Use a catchy title and description fit for your video. Also use the relevant tags. That completes this tutorial on creating a YouTube short using Heygen and CapCut. With these tools, you can efficiently produce high-quality shorts that are both informative and visually appealing. For more tutorials on AI content creation and video editing workflows, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.